Now, Celine.
I love Kuya so much and I can speak Puerto Rico, Kuya.
Spanish.
I'm in Spanish. And I'm in Puerto Rico. Because I love you so much, Kuya.
Sing happy birthday to Kuya.
Vamos. 1, 2, 3.
Happy birthday
to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Ara. Happy birthday to you.
We love
Y
you.
que cumplas muchos más con la nariz así. Y que cumplas cumpleaños. Happy birthday to you. Poo.
Oh, what you gonna say to Kuya?
Kuya.
Happy birthday, Ar.
Kuya.
Oh, say your message, Celine.
Kuya, happy birthday. That your
Happy
big
birthday.
bird, that your big berries in here. Ow.
Shut up. Oh, you don't know what you're talking about.
Okay, now, what else you want to say to Kuya?
Tambourine. That's my gift.
Say to Kuya to make a wish before he blows
Kuya,
his
make a
cake.
wish. No, I'm gonna give you a song.
Oh, sige. Sing a song for him.
Wait. Kuya, Kuya, happy birthday to you. Kuya, happy birthday to you. That I am not there. I am still love you. I am still love you. I am still love you. That I love you so much. Love you so much.
Bye-bye, Kuya.
Bye-bye, Kuya. Bye-bye, Kuya.
Give Kuya a kiss. Show your pretty smile to Kuya. Come on. Show your pretty smile. With your missing teeth. Come on. Close up. Get near.
Yeah.
Not like that. Smile lang. Smile.
Every time me and Kuya do like
Smile. Like a monster naman. Say na. Say, I love you, Kuya. I love you, Kuya, and we miss you.
Wait.
What?
Wait. The
Oh.
girl wants to say something.
What?
I love you, Kuya.
That's the bird of Kuya. Why you brought it here?
No, you bag. And I got your CD, Kuya, the racing car.
He knew that you brought it with you.
Yes,
And the
because-
Donald Duck. Get the Donald Duck, the stuffed toy of
And the
Kuya.
Donald Duck.
Embrace it. That's the stuffed toy of Kuya.
And then that you and me, you remember that I said I will bring it, and you said no, and I said yes, and you said no.
What else?
Bye, Kuya.
What else you want to say to Kuya?
I love you, Kuya.
I'll show your shake up dance to Kuya. Shake it up dance.
He knows that I'm better.
That's your best? That's your best dance for Kuya? Okay, we love you, R.
Love